Excellent talk. I really learned a lot from this talk. Um, yes, I'm Teresa Maldonado from the National Science Foundation Engineering Directorate. I'm sitting here listening to your talk, learning a great deal, and I'm thinking engineering faculty in particular have become more and more international.
Mhm.
When they get hired, they go through a faculty orientation to go over health benefits and things like that.
Mhm.
And have you looked at a segment in faculty orientation about who they may be teaching in the classroom and also who their peers may be in what countries, but also just faculty development throughout their career at the university that they may be at? So do you have some elements of your programs along the lines of faculty development?
Yeah, so I wrote a book in 2010, and the last chapter I talk about the academic trajectory of API scholars. And so not only is there perception that APIs are well represented in uh, undergrad populations and graduate school, but also in the faculty ranks. And the interesting thing I found is that APIs are more likely than any other group to be non-tenure track faculty. And so they're often research professors, they're non-tenured ranked professors. So associate professors, full professors without tenure. And I think what's happening is they're often on a visa and they're kind of, there's not a full commitment to having them stay on the faculty. But that's something we got to learn a lot more about. And what happens in that kind of scenario where you do have some Asian American faculty who are in STEM and other fields, but a large concentration of the API faculty are actually international, non U.S. citizens.